1,000. That is the number of days that have passed since the outbreak of a full-scale Russo-Ukrainian war. Someone who was in middle school at the beginning of the war is now in senior school, but the war hasn't ended. 280,000 people died, but the war hasn't ended. Unfortunately, the Russo-Ukrainian war is just a single example. Even in this split second, people are kidnapped, raped, displaced, and killed in war situations. Branksome Hall Asia's Girls Empowerment Movement Club believes that no more lives should be shattered into pieces because of wars. We, thereby, demand the war to stop. As the founder and leader of the GEM Club, I, Yu Jung-ha, feel honored to participate in this meaningful challenge.
This war defies all comprehension.
Our hope for peace feels like a distant dream,
Overshadowed by a reality of loss and suffering. War is not the only destruction of bodies.
It is the destruction of hopes and dreams.
The war stripped everything of me. My dignity, my past, and my future.
War does not determine who is right, only who is left.
I feel like I'm losing my future, my education, and my childhood.
War is never a petty matter. It does not destroy only our nations, but the moral fiber of individuals. Only the dead have seen the end of war.
we want the war to stop.